Hi, in this video I'm gonna talk about things I like and don't like about my Alpina Startimer Pilot's GMT. This box alone already feels that it is a quality watch brand. Now, let's look inside the box. We have a watch tag, international warranty card, instruction booklet, the watch case. Again, it feels and shows quality. This watch serves in my collection as my pilot's watch with GMT function. This is why I do like it. It got a slim case, sapphire coated crystal, detailed design on the dial, on the case, nylon strap, and lastly, the price is so good. Unfortunately, I cannot think of anything that I don't like in this watch. For those who haven't seen my other videos, my wrist size is 6.5 inches. Overall, this watch for me is a great buy. It is Swiss made, price is reasonable, and the build is excellent. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.